All right, so numerical on momentum, law of conservation of momentum and law of conservation of energy. So on the right hand side is mentioned the resultant velocities after an elastic collision. Please memorize this. In many situations, you may know how to solve it by using law of conservation of energy and law of conservation of momentum, but you won't get too much time. Therefore, it is important that you memorize this key concept of final velocities after an elastic collision. So in this numerical, uh, the mass 1 strikes mass 2 elastically, and then mass 2 strikes mass 3 elastically. And the first part of the question is, what is the final velocity of mass 3? It is given that mass 1 starts with 4 meter per second when it strikes the mass 2. And initially, mass 2 and mass 3 are at rest. The only thing in motion is the mass 1. So I'll continue the solution. But the basic essence of this question is the key concept which you have to memorize. Once you have that understanding that this equation is valid for elastic collisions, you would be easily able to solve this. Thank you.